minus 4ac over 2a. Alright. X equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Alright. X equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Alright. X equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Alright. X equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Alright. X equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Alright. X equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Alright. X equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Alright. X equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Alright. X equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Alright. X equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Alright. X equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Alright. X equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Alright. X equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Alright. X equals negative b plus or minus